Yeah, good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. So, may I know your introduction because we are meeting first time?
Of course, you can know. Just as you can say, this my name is Mohammed Tariq. I'm calling from Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my educational qualification, I am a postgraduate in Arabic language. When it comes to my hobbies, I love listening to music, reading newspaper, watching English content, videos. It was my short introduction.
Oh, nice. So, now it's my turn. So, first of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. So, as usual, I am Preeti. I am from UP district Mau. Currently, I'm living in Greater Noida. I am learning this language as well as I teach some students. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done graduation from home science, and yeah, I am a homemaker. That's all my introduction. Thank you so much.
Okay, okay. In which part of Mau you belong to? It's
Mau,
I think you
where
are
you
my. Hmm.
live?
You are a neighbor of mine. Mau is nearby from my district to Mau.
Yes.
Yeah. So, can you tell me something about your journey? When have you started your journey to speak in English, and how did you get this idea to start here? And can you tell me something about
Yes.
this application and your journey?
Okay, so if I talk about my journey, so this is very long journey. Like I have completed to learn this language 1 year. But when I started the journey, so you can say I was totally villager person, and my background is all background is Hindi medium.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, after got married, I came here in Greater Noida. So here some problems I was facing a lot, and at that time I was in trouble. So I decided to go any school and teach some student, and through teaching I can earn money. But it is not possible because all school, all books in English medium, and I was not capable to teach. So that's why facing a lot of problem, I decided earlier days somehow I have to learn this language. So that time I had not, I don't had any phone. So I start going any institute and I learned from there 6 months. But even if I talk about speaking part, so I was not improve. I was not improve my speaking. So I realized if I want to become a good speaker, so I have to practice with myself because no one here to connect with me and to speak because that time I didn't had any phone and I was not able to like how to find any app to talk any people. So when I spent 6 months, so after 6 months I get phone. I got phone. So then I learn from YouTube channel, and nowadays I follow consistency with 6 months. So yeah, that's all my journey.
Okay, okay. Good to know about you, ma'am. You have effort, lots of effort to get to get the fluency of English language because you didn't earlier when have you when you were studying at your college though, you didn't think about the English language, but right now you are feeling I'm not good at English, so that's why you should start English language because we can't get the anything without English. That's why you had started your journey.
Yes,
Okay, okay, ma'am. So I'm very inspired by listening your story because you have put lots of effort to come here to connect with people. So it's a very good step for you, and definitely all my credit goes to this kind of application. When I had started my journey last year, I had started to speak in English because when I have completed master degree, I was looking for a job, but I didn't get as per my qualification. So I have connected to people, but I didn't get the fluency of English language, how I speak with people. So I was scrolling, I was watching different types of video to learn the just for spoken English. So, ma'am, suddenly I found an application that name is Hybro, where I had started my journey. This application was giving me 20 minutes every day. So I used to practice on this application. So one of my friends, you can say this YouTuber friends, so have suggested me, Tariq, you are here and you are speaking. So if you want to be a good speaker, so you should start your YouTube channel, as well as uh, you can start the Skipify. Yeah, there are many peoples, and you can connect by connecting people. You can get the fluency. That's why I had started. Now I am a teacher, and I am teaching in medical student Arabic language. So this is my journey, and I'm enjoying with that. And there is a experience which I have learned by connecting with people. So, ma'am, English needs the consistency. English has the needs of consistency. If
Right,
we maintain the consistency here, we can become a good speaker. By connecting with people, we can observe which types of quality I have and which kind of hard work I need to do for the life. So
right,
I have learned by connecting with people new things. Like it has been my habit to read the newspaper. But when it comes to spoken English, so that's meaning we don't use the English newspapers vocabulary. We don't use here, but it is very helpful for getting the knowledge. I had indulged myself into reading the newspaper near about 3 years, but I was not aware of how to use the English vocabularies newspapers in my day-to-day conversation. So after that, then I have realized I should read the any books of a short story like that. So I have read it. After that, then right now I have been reading. It's been one month. There is a book role models. I've
yes,
been
yes.
reading it. Yeah. So
How to
so ma'am,
decide to create channel, like who support you? Like earlier days, it is not possible to make YouTube channel because we are not aware that progress. So may I know your about YouTube channel journey?
ma'am, when I was looking for a job, I was not. I had I had not anything to do. So that's why I was thinking to do anything in my life. At that time I was not doing anything. So I was watching different types of video, how to start, how to create my YouTube channel, and people are uploading their videos and they become very fluent in English language. So ma'am, by inspiring the peoples, then I got this idea by watching different types of people's videos. Then I got this idea I should start this journey. If I will do I thought I will do the if I will do it, so we can get the fluency, as well as the people will know me, and I will put hard words in English language. So uh, like you are an inspiration for me, because you have given me lots, and like you have given me lots of opportunity. They are speaking good, so how can I can't speak. I need to do hard work. So that's why I had started, and I'm enjoying with that. And yeah.
So like you are living in village.
I'm at my home.
Many
Here
members
is
in
my
your,
Azamgarh.
okay, so how many members in your family?
6.
6 members.
Yeah.
So you are not job holder?
Ma'am, I'm a teacher. I'm not doing job in any sector. Just there is an institute where I teach Arabic language. I'm a master in Arabic language, so where I've been teaching in Arabic language.
Yes. So
Yeah.
may I know your like when you are going to start your journey? So that time, which type of difficulties you are facing, and apart from that, there are lots of learners. Only they are going to decide to learn this language first, and 1 2 months they are give up like it is not piece of cake, and like I am a villager. How it could be possible to learn this language? So did you face this problem earlier days?
Many times, ma'am, I after getting higher education, then I was saying I'm not good at English. People are speaking very good, but they don't have the they don't have the highest qualification, but they are speaking good English. So I've been facing different types of problems in my societies where I'm teaching. People are taunting to me, but I don't care of the people's. Just I'm doing which I need to do. I don't care like that. uh, Bad peoples are there, they just taunt me, but they will not complete all my requirements.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, many times, ma'am, when I had started my journey, just I had started, I want to share here. I wanted to do job in MNCs, but I didn't get as per my qualification. I wanted to do job in Arabic language, but for the joining in any institution, we have the knowledge of English language, how I'm speaking. Communication is in English language the best skills for the beginner who want to join. So that's why I didn't get it. So then I realized I should read the newspaper, I should read the book, I should practice like that. So I was watching different types of videos, different types of uh, uh, um, uh, vocabulary. I had practice every day, and I had indulged myself into connecting with peoples.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yeah. So, ma'am, it has been my journey. It's been 1 year. Step by step, I have lots of confidence. All credit goes to my this kind of application. If I will not get it, I will not be a good speaker. I will not be an intermediate. I'm thinking right now. I am speaking as an intermediate, but as well as I am practicing, I am putting lots of effort to be a good speaker in English language.
Yes. Yes. So
Yeah.
maybe your dream, your future plan is to become a good speaker.
My future plan is to be a good professor in Arabic language. I will complete all my desire which I have thought while when I was studying at my college. So definitely I will put it. I will do it in future. I have this. I have the dream to complete in this requirement like professors.
Yes. So
Yeah.
do you have any questions? So you can ask.
Yeah, I have many questions, but I will ask a burning question came into my mind. So, what's your future plan, ma'am? And what does your husband do? What you do? What were you doing there in Noida?
Okay. So here, sport line companies are very like a lot of companies. Sport
Mm-hmm,
line, stitching line. So my
mm-hmm,
husband works there, and
mm-hmm.
my husband doesn't educated. He
Okay.
uneducated person, but little
Mm-hmm,
bit they have not. And just because like I want to grow my life, and if
mm-hmm,
I talk about my future, so what am
mm-hmm.
I doing, and what I become? So I want to become a good speaker in this language, and you can say I told you, I am not I am a teacher. Like I teach some student at home, online
Mm-hmm.
and offline. Both are going. So
Mm-hmm.
also I get opportunity, so I teach online class on YouTube channel.
Okay. 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 You are a teacher of the online.
I'm not a teacher, just I am trying to teach.
Mhm. You are trying to teach. Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
am
Okay. Okay.
I teach students, some student like kids, nursery
Mm-hmm.
to 8 class at home,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm trying to teach how to teach online classes. So
Okay.
there
Okay.
are
Okay. Trying to learn.
I teach.
You are trying to learn how to teach online classes. How to start the online tools. Okay. Good. Okay, ma'am. We had enjoyed we in this conversation, and